All right. Good morning to the hockey family. It's Monday, July the 6th, 2026. We hope everyone enjoyed nice Canada Day, 4th of July here in the States. 250 years for the US. It's pretty cool. Kroll family, we had a really nice weekend. The fireworks exceeded expectations, some good food, some good friends, all good stuff. So we hope many of you also had a nice weekend. I realize it's when free agency kicks off, like it can be a stressful time for some. I remember that personally in my career. Not exactly knowing what's going on for the following season. So hopefully, everyone's out there able to enjoy some good time with friends, family, and um, yeah, at the end of the day, that's what really matters. Friends, family, relationships, and so we hope everyone had a great weekend. Looking at the market last week, a nice week for most parts of the market. It's kind of, I don't know, it's nice to see oil kind of get back down toward more like long-term trend numbers. So back below $70 a barrel. You'll notice gas prices might have started to come down a bit. I think it's just a little ridiculous. So obviously when there's any geopolitical event and the price of oil spikes, like gas stations, again, immediately hike their prices, right? But then when oil comes down after conflicts are resolved, the price of gas doesn't come right down. In fact, it typically takes like 4 to 6 weeks for the price of gas to come down to like where it should be. I don't know. I think it's a little ridiculous. Like the narrative is always, well, the gas price, the gas companies, they say, well, we had to buy all this inventory at higher prices. So we got to work our way through this inventory that we purchased for larger amounts. But it's like, yeah, but before the event, like, did you not have any inventory? Right? I mean, the inventory before the conflict, yeah, you didn't pay a ton for that, and yet, prices go straight up immediately. So I don't know. I'm not sure why that happens, but it is what it is. You can come to your own conclusions, but so we'll see. Over the next 4 to 6 weeks, gas prices should come back down. Jobs report in the US last week was okay. Like the headline number, 57,000 net new jobs was maybe a touch below expectations, but the part of the jobs report I always look at is the average hourly earnings. It kind of shows the strength of the employment report a bit more. And the average hourly earnings kind of came in as expected. So that part's quite encouraging. Net, it's an okay number, right? Which is why the bond market like yields was somewhat muted. Not a big reaction in the fixed income market. All right. We did see the Dow Jones set a new record last week, which is great. A lot of rotation into some of the laggards. So the Nasdaq still off record highs. Yeah, I think some of you are aware. Some of the AI, some of the big tech names, struggling in recent weeks. So the Nasdaq is still a bit off record highs, but all things considered, things have been strong. Things have been strong. The week ahead, relatively quiet week in terms of economic data. Yeah, it just kind of says sometimes, knock on wood, but these summer months, the market tends to be a touch more quiet. We'll see. Our team's going to be traveling a lot in these coming weeks. So just myself, over the next 2 weeks, I'll be in Chicago, Minnesota, Columbus. It's a good time to just go out and work a bit and see some friends and all that good stuff. So questions, comments, concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to our team. And we hope you guys have a terrific week. Take care.